Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video, we shall take up two questions related to surface area and curved surface area of the cylinder. Now, as you know, cylinder is three-dimensional solid having two circular bases, and in the middle we have a curved surface. So the total area of the cylinder is area of two circular bases, that is 2 pi r square, plus area of curved surface, that is 2 pi r h. Further, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, which we can also say it is circumference of the base into height. Now let's take up question number 1. In a given cylindrical pipe, the area of the surfaces are given. Find the radius and the height of the cylinder. So given in this question, area of the circular base is equal to 154 meter square. Curved surface area is equal to 880 meter square. To find the radius and the height of the cylinder. Now let's start with the solution. Area of the top is equal to 154 meter square. Now since the top base is circular, so we can say pi r square is equal to 154 meter square. Further, we will write 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154 meter square. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 22 is equal to 49. So when r square is equal to 49, we can say r is root of 49, which is equal to 7. So radius has come 7 meters. Further, curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 880 meters square. Now formula of curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So we shall write 2 pi r h is equal to 880 meters square. Now we shall substitute the values. We will write 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into h is equal to 880. Further, 7 and 7 will get cancelled and we will write h is equal to 880 upon 2 into 22, which is equal to 20 meters. So height has come 20 meters. Now let's take up question number 2. The total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 231 centimeters square. Its curved surface is 2/3 of the total surface. Determine the radius of its base and height. So given in this question, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 231 centimeters square. Curved surface area is equal to 2/3 of total surface area. And we have to find the radius and the height of cylinder. Now let's start with the solution. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2/3 of total surface area. That means 2/3 of 231, which is equal to 154. So curved surface area of this cylinder is 154. Now we know the formula of curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So we can write 2 pi r h is equal to 154. Now we shall substitute the values. We will write 2 into 22 by 7 into r into h is equal to 154. Further, r into h is equal to 154 into 7 upon 2 into 22, which is equal to 49 by 2. So we got r into h, that is radius into height, is equal to 49 upon 2. Now further, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 231 centimeters square. And we know the formula of total surface area is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So we will write 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is equal to 231. Now 2 pi r h is actually curved surface area, which we had calculated earlier. It was 2/3 of 231, which came 154. So we can substitute over here. We will write 2 pi r square plus 154 is equal to 231. Further, 2 pi r square is 231 minus 154, which is equal to 77. Now we shall substitute the values. We will write 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 77. So r square is equal to 77 into 7 upon 2 into 22. We have just cross multiplied, which is equal to 49 by 4. So r is root of 49 by 4, which is equal to 7 by 2. So radius has come 7 by 2, or you can say 3.5 centimeters. Now we got the RH, which was equal to 49 by 2, and radius, which is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Now we shall substitute the value of R in this equation. RH is equal to 49 by 2, and we will write 7 by 2 into H is equal to 49 by 2. So H is equal to 49 into 2 upon 2 into 7, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So we can say the height of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Hope you have understood these two questions. Thank you everyone.